Hey YouTube, it's Teenage Toolman. I hope you're all having a great day today. Today, I'm going to show you how to make the Hubie Halloween Thermos. I started out by modeling this thing in CAD so I had an idea on what I'm building. I started out by going to Home Depot with this water bottle. Since I like the diameter and the length of this water bottle, I'll be using it as a guide for the entire project. I used 2-inch pipe in this because it's around the same diameter as this. It's perfect because then instead of drilling into metal, because I don't want to drill into a metal thermos, I can just use PVC pipe. And then if I need it as a thermos, I can always put an insulator on the inside so that it acts as a thermos. But for now, we're going to take our water bottle, put it on the 2-inch pipe to make sure that it's a decent size. As you can see, mine's a pretty good size. Next, you're going to take your water bottle or a random length that you think is about the right size. I'll just be using my water bottle, and for me, I need to cut about there. So you're going to take a saw and cut off right there. This is about 8 inches long, just to get an idea. Next, we're going to start putting the electronics in. After watching those video clips and cutting the PVC, for the light, I took a light that was in a headlamp and I ripped the light out of it and the button. I scrapped the battery pack and moved to a 9-volt battery because they're easier and tinier. And now when I put this on here, I have 2 modes. The normal mode when I hit the button, and then if I hit the button again, it does a flash mode, which is sweet. And then for the drill bit, I took a female hex bolt and put it down inside one of these wooden circles, or wooden cylinders that I made. And this is the perfect fit, so I put it down in there, glued it up, and now I have a makeshift screwdriver. On the side, I'll be putting magnets to hold my drill bits in. And then for the shovel, I am using a plastic shovel, but I'm putting this, it's like Gorilla Glue, and I'm just coating the backside of it, and it just makes it more tough and a lot more strong. And then that goes out to 1/2-inch pipe, which goes out to another one of these wooden circles, and then this fits perfectly in here. And I'll put one more at the front so that it doesn't move around like this. Then for the umbrella, I'll take 2 more of these and put them around the main metal piece where all the components are, like inside, that power the umbrella. I'll be putting these around it. So then whenever I need my umbrella or shovel, I can just unscrew the cap of my water bottle, put this down in, or my umbrella, and then voila, we have a makeshift shovel or umbrella. Now that we have all the components done, it's time to finish this off. So I'm going to take a water bottle, and I sawed the head off of it, as you can see, and we're just going to put this to the side for another project. And this, I'm planning right now that I'll just take a hot glue gun and seal it on there. Seal it on top right there so that I can tip it over and drink it whenever I want, or I can unscrew it, and inside here I can fit those wooden pieces that I drilled with this drill bit. I can fit them perfectly down inside, so that means that I can use the shovel and the umbrella whenever I want. Now that we have everything sealed and like all the components done, as you can see, I made a little cardboard cutout for this so that it would stay dry from the spray paint, and it didn't really look good with a bunch of wires, so I put a little cardboard case around it and then spray painted everything. The umbrella may not turn out as well, so you may have to put a few coats on it. It's probably because it's fabric, but I'm okay with that. In the movies, He doesn't really have it painted on completely. But we painted our shovel and this, and it's looking pretty good. One thing to note is you should tape the cap of your water bottle, so when you drink this, you're not putting your mouth on the spray paint. And then the other thing is tape where your lights shine through the cardboard box. Otherwise, this thing will have an orange light and you'll taste spray paint. Now you just take your water bottle, your shovel, put your shovel down inside the water bottle, and then since you have those wooden pieces, it'll keep it in place, and as you can see, it doesn't shake. Now for your screwdriver, you can just take your drill bit and your water bottle, and then since you have a built-in female hex bolt down there, you can take your drill bit and put it down inside, and since it's magnetic, it'll stay in, and you can use it as a drill. Now for your light, you can take your 9-volt battery and clip the 9-volt battery clip onto it, and then when you hit your button on the side, your light should turn on. As you can see, that's working for me, and I'll have a picture of it in the dark. Now for your umbrella, you can just take your water bottle and your umbrella, put your umbrella down inside your water bottle, just like that, and then take your umbrella and put it out. And there you go. You have yourself your water bottle umbrella. Our last use for a water bottle is the actual part of it that is meant for holding water. So as you can see, I am dumping water in and it's not leaking. And you can take your water bottle, and since it's sealed on the top, you can dump all your water back into your water bottle just like you had it previously. If you have any video ideas or suggestions, comment below. Also, if you enjoyed this video and you want to see more content just like this, like and subscribe.